Following your roof plan, it's time to add the first pair of rafters. Undo the bolts and keep them safe. Then attach the rafters into place, but do not fully tighten the bolts. You can now add the next set of rafters, carefully letting them rest against each other. Then place the ridge between both sets of rafters, checking that it is at the correct height and the rafters fit into place. Once you are happy with the positioning of the rafters in the ridge, fully tighten all fixings. Remember to tighten all the fixings you left loose earlier. Now you can add the remaining rafters to the ridge and ring beam. The hip bars and rafters all connect onto the main loop, and you should use an Allen key to loosen position and then tighten. You can now seal the frames to the property wall.